What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. In today's video we have the must-have, and I do mean must-have accessories for your Meta Quest 3. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start. But before we start, I just want to let you know that the holiday season is still going on, and you still have the holiday promotions through Meta. You're going to get $60 of Quest Cash right off the rip, so you can use on any accessory, apps, or games, whatever you want. Plus, you can enjoy a 20% discount on Meta Quest title games. That is absolutely amazing. It runs from November 29th all the way to December 31st. So there is still time. There is still time. And if you got no money, don't worry, because the Meta Quest headsets are available for play now, pay later, starting at just $19.99. $20, ladies and gentlemen. $20 a month with easy financing. You can start enjoying the latest VR technology now, especially during these times. And then you can spread out the amount through payments. And not to mention that if you do the pay now, play later, you still get the $60 Quest Cash. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this party started. And we're going to start off with the accessories absolutely needed for the Quest 3. And first off, we're going to start with this. The Maker controller grips for the Quest 3. So let's go ahead and put the Quest here aside, and let's take a look at this Maker controller grips. Very nice packaging. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Inside you get a bunch of goodies. Very nice package, and the user guide here. Let's take a look at these grips. Very nice and very durable grips. These charge, actually. You can see some charging mechanism here, some plastics here on the inside that you can remove. And you do have maker or something like that right there. You got some added grip here for support. Very nice and durable grips here. What is this? This is your Type-C to Type-C cable. And you're gonna get the batteries. It does come with the battery, so I guess these are not only grips, there are actually battery packs. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and press down right here and release the grip. And you do have a alkaline battery right here. These are not chargeable. Are these rechargeable? Gotta be, because there's no, they're not rechargeable. Yep, you have an alkaline battery right here. The ones that I don't think, hey bright. Yeah, I don't look like they're rechargeable, but these are right here. As you can see, you're gonna get 2 of these. And what you're gonna do is it tells you which one. One's right, one's rear, and they're labeled. This is left, rear. One's right and one is left, and they're labeled. So positive goes this way. So this goes in like so. Okay. Is this the left one? Yeah, it's got to be the left one. Where's the positive? Positive and negative. Positive goes down here. So I'm assuming this goes in something like so. Bam, like that. See that? Pretty much just goes in like that. And instead of putting this bad boy back, what you're gonna do is put the foam grip back. This is the right one. Let's get the left one, and they are labeled right here, left and rear. And what this is going to do is you're just going to slide this bad boy this foam grip in like so. And you're gonna hear the nice click, and that means it's just in there, very nice. And now what you do have is some protection, some added grip. You stretch this bad boy out like that, it stays in hand. Very nice durable grips. And you do have Type-C charging here, so you don't no longer have to remove the batteries and charge it. You're just gonna plug a Type-C connector there, and it's going to charge your foam grips, and they absolutely look and feel good. Very nice and grippy. And let's go ahead and try the other one out right here. So very nice. You do got an 8 button here because they get nice and scuffed and dirty, so you don't want. Boom. You're gonna go ahead and remove this. The little stringy just slides off. Remove the battery. Place this bad boy. Keep saying bad boy. Is that a bad thing? Let me know down in the comment section. Where is the... The other one had oh, can't. The other one had a plus or minus. This one does not. Oh man. I think it goes like this. No, it goes the other way. Like so. Bam. Nice and secure. Secured. So this is gonna slide in like so. You hear a click. You hear the click. So it's nice and in there. This is gonna go like that. It's gonna go bam, bam. Very nice. And you still can release because you got the release button right here. So you can press right here. It's gonna release your charging cord right there, and you're freaking good to go. You can stretch this. Boom. Get them nice and tight. Feels very good. Just play like that, right? You got your controllers, your triggers. Feels nice. Gives you more of a handle to grip because you do have this extension down here for the Type-C. Very nice, good feeling controllers. You cannot go wrong with this. This is the Meeker controller grips for your Quest 3. The next one is your charge and link simultaneously all limited playtime. So basically this is your link if you want to connect to your computer and use it as a monitor. This is going to give you the best connection because it's hardwired directly to the computer, and you can charge while you play, and it's very lengthy, very nice and durable cable here. So it is Type-C to USB. So this is going to connect to the computer. It's going to give you the option to use it as a use the Quest as a monitor. This kind of connects right here. As you can see, you can connect it either this way or this way to get it out of the way, and then just route it wherever you want. This connects to your computer, and then you have Type-C there so you can get power, so you still can connect it and use power as you play, which is absolutely fantastic. This thing's very long, so it's supposed to be long, so it gives you some movement to some freedom to move around and play and use your computer as you want. This is the that link, what's it called, the VR link in charging basically. Moving on to the next one is, if you want to go pro, you need the S3 Pro head strap. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Bam. And you have the installation instructions, the product indicator. Boom. Very nice packaging. Instructions. This is just a more comfortable headset. You can charge it too. It has like a cooler and a fan and a heater. Does it have a heater? I don't know if it got the cooler or the fan, but it has the fan, I know, and it a battery pack to so it can power your device. As you can see, very nice, very good looking, premium, looks OEM. It has a fan. It's right there. You can see the fan, so it's gonna cool your headset so you don't get too hot. You do have an additional silicone kind of lining here. Feels very good, and I believe this is the battery pack. It is the battery pack. You have the charger and the battery pack itself. The battery pack connects to the headset and provides power right there, and then you have a Type-C charging there. Let's see if we can connect this to the headset here. I know there's certain ways you got to remove these. So these OG straps kind of pull off like that. As you can see, they kind of pull off, and then you just undo this right here. Kind of fish this out of there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to slide these actually this way. This slides in like this. And this one slides in like so. Let me put this out of the way. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Let's see. I gotta open this up more. There we go. So I think this goes down. This gotta adjust somewhere. So this is supposed to be like this. Wait. This way. This connects here. These kind of clip on here. Or they kind of slide in. Here we go. Like so. This clip plugs in here. This goes off, but I just want to leave it here because I think the next thing I need this. And then this bad boy magnetically gets in here like so, powers the device. Let me show you how to put this bad boy on. You put this on like so, and then there's a adjustment in here that you turn, and it just tightens it. It just makes it very comfortable, actually. Oh yeah, this thing is very comfortable. This thing doesn't go here, but it is very comfortable, makes it very comfortable. And then you just kind of loosen it up and pop it out of your head. absolutely amazing. And you do have the fan speed here. You can hear the fan, but you can feel the fan as well. This thing goes off, but you can feel the fan as well. It actually feels good. I can feel the air just blowing in my head. It actually feels good. I actually like this. And then you can turn it off. But this is absolutely amazing, actually. Feels very good. This thing goes, let me just take it off for you. I gotta say, I was scared I wasn't gonna be able to put it on myself. This thing feels and just feels very good, very nice, and air feels very cushioned, very secure. Is absolutely amazing. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. I don't know if this works with the next, I'm gonna put that aside with the next product. Here it is. Bam, this big old box. Now what we're looking at here is our storing container. So if you're gonna travel, this thing opens. Bam. This thing, you can store it. You have a strap in here. This goes in here. It actually does work. It works just fine with the added headgear thing. You put that in there. You can put the controllers in here like so. Where's the other controller? Right here. Get out of that other way. Close it. Or you put the controllers in the middle. Actually, they go in here. Controllers go in here like this, somewhere like that. But anyways, this closes. Bam, and you're on your merry way. Absolutely fantastic. Well, there you have it, guys. This is the must-have accessories for your Meta Quest 3. Now, I know the headset took me a while to figure out, but it's absolutely, I think this is the best. Actually, it feels very comfortable, way better than the stock one. The cable link, you know, if you don't need this, you don't absolutely need this. If you are thinking about using your Quest 3 as a monitor, where you can have it a virtual monitor, this is most definitely needed. I tried the wireless and it's a little laggy. This is going to prevent that from happening. The added grip and the charging, these are absolutely a must. If you play a lot, keeps you from changing out batteries. You just plug them in to the Type-C and get your boys charged and ready to go. All this links will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick them up for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.